You better let go.
I told you, this is mine. You're never gonna get it.
Just give me the rope. Nobody has to get hurt, Brian. Only one person has to get hurt, Brian. All right, I warned you.
My teeth!
Oh, man, I'm real sorry about your mouth, Brian.
Damn it, Peter, what were you thinking? This has to be the stupidest thing you've ever done.
No, Brian, the stupidest thing I ever did was turn the bubbles off in a hot tub.
Now remember, Brian's probably very self-conscious about how he looks, so let's try to be supportive. Brian, dinner!
Oh, everybody, how was your day? What's for dinner? I'm starving.
My God, you look like one of those animals. You know, which one does the that sound? Crap, you know which one I mean.
Oh, who am I kidding? You gotta take me to the dentist to get my mouth fixed.
Brian, we can try to make it feel a little less repulsive, but we're not spending human money on a deformed animal.
What? Well, what am I supposed to do?
I don't know. But here, you can have this back. It's boring. It doesn't do anything.
You know what? Go to hell, Peter!
Wow, this is the craziest meal I've had since I had lunch at Tommy Sullivan's house.